Established in 2004, Fujian Non-Yun Packing Machinery Company Limited is a professional manufacturer and exporter specialized in the design, development, and production of labeling machine, date coding machine, laser marking machine, and related products. We now have over 144 employees, covering an area of 46,609 square meters. Annual production capability is 16,500 sets of machines. All of our products comply with international quality standards and are greatly appreciated in a variety of different markets throughout the world. NY products include date coding machine, thermal transfer printer, laser marking machine, inkjet printer, labeling machine, hole punching machine, bottle unscrambler, cover impressing machine, bottle seaming machine, capping machine, carton sealing machine, metal detector, weight checker, automation line, hot ink roll, hot stamp foil, brass characters, widely used in many fields of foodstuffs, pharmaceuticals, beverages, cosmetics, household paper, and so on. Non-Yun Company elected as National High and New Technology Enterprise. Honored as province famous brand, gained more than 20 domestic patents, and passed the CE. NY brand machine, sell well across the country, and also exported to America, Spain, Australia, Italy, India, and 30 other countries and regions. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders, whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application. Please feel free to contact us. We warmly welcome all customers around the world to cooperate with us for mutual benefits and developments.